Yo, people. People. Welcome to a brand new streaming, people. Today, official new name, BLW Trading Show. This is the episode number 1. We are going to be trading 100% live today using QuadX and using the Keltner strategy. So if you're new here, consider subscribing if you are interested on education about day trading, either binary forex or anything like that. And more importantly, make sure that you smash the like button whether you're watching this on live or watching this on a replay. So, welcome. You guys here for the first time. My name is Christian, and I'm a full-time day trader. And basically, I stream every single day at noon. I don't have a watch right now. Hold on. I'm gonna put a watch, otherwise I feel like, I don't know. I feel different. How's everybody doing? Let me know where you guys are saying hi from, as usual. And we're also going to have a Q&A, obviously, at the end of this call. We're going to place a few trades here and there. Hopefully, we have some opportunities because today is a pretty intense day when it comes to news. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Yeah, the live chat right there activated. Let me just go ahead and create a poll so that you guys can answer. And let's see. Do you know how to use the Keltner strategy? Yes or no? How you doing there? From Denmark, I see. From the UK, how's everybody doing? From Egypt. Welcome to this brand new streaming, people. Let's just wait for some people to get together and then we're gonna start with the charts. You might as well want to trade with me, but just use demo if by any chance you're not like fully familiar with with the strategy itself. I haven't traded since November 26th. I think I've even did it here on the live. I haven't traded since then in QuadX. Today we had an amazing day, almost $2,000 in pocket option live in the BLW binary master app. So if by any chance you guys, you have, if by any chance you have, you are interested on trading 100% live with me, you can do it. BLWsignalsgroup.com, links in the description. It includes Forex and binary sessions with me every day, 7:30 Central Standard Time. My binary sessions, and 8:20 my Forex sessions. And then I'm here live at noon, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is literally the time right now. Hopefully you can join. And yeah, like I said, we're using the brand new name, BLW Trading Show. Today's episode number 1. Is everybody here? Should we go ahead and start trading right now? Los Angeles, how you doing? China, welcome, man. Rwanda, how you doing? India, Rwanda had the World Cup from cycling, right? If everybody's here and hold on. There's some comments right there in the Telegram channel. By the way, you guys are invited. Go to the Telegram channel. It's 100% free. And yeah, Belgium, how you doing? In my opinion, I can be profitable in all of your strategies, but for some people, they maybe be profitable, by the way, looking for a new strategy, I guess. Illinois, how you doing? Well, if none of my strategies actually work, I think the problem is you. Like, sorry to be that, straight to the point, but I mean, if there's thousands of people making money with my strategies and you're not, then you gotta ask yourself, like, why, right? All right, let's go ahead and start with the trading session. Look, the Keltner channel is a strategy for 3 minutes. I'm going to delete everything so that we can start from zero, right? By the way, link to Quotex in the description of this video. This strategy, you can also use it on pocket option. The link is as well in the description of this video. Go ahead and use them. So look, we're going to be using Quotex today. And when you open a Quotex account, this is the way it's actually going to look like, right? I have purchased your auto trader is the best. Thank you for the feedback. Yeah, the auto trader today, I didn't place any trade on the auto trader. I saw a lot of volatility, so I decided to deactivate it. So we're all safe, but we are already at 1 point something percent this, you know. You don't think so? All right. I feel some toxicity right here, so I'm not going to reply. But once you're actually here, what you need to do, first of all, is choose the candlesticks right here. Choose the candles. There you go. You're just going to leave it at 1 minute. Look, the Keltner strategy has 3 different ways, if you ask me. One is for the 3-minute expiration time. One is for 1 minute expiration time as well. The third one, it's a combination with the 5-minute strategy. Today, I'm going to teach you the first 2. The one for 30 seconds in candlesticks and 1 minute expiration time. It's exactly the same on the 3-minute one. So let's go ahead and use the 1 minute candlesticks, choose it to 30 seconds. We're good? All right. Then we're going to add a couple indicators. Right here, it's the button for the indicators. You click on it. And the first indicator that you're going to choose is this stochastic oscillator right here. Boom. By the way, all my strategies are, managed with pretty much the same logic. So the overbought level, you're going to choose the 80. Oh, shoot. 80. And the oversold level, you're going to choose the 20. There you go. 14, 3 and 3, you're good to go. And then you're going to go back and you're going to add the Keltner channel right here. You can see it. Here, this is the default. I like to switch the multiplier to number 2. In a minute, I'm going to explain exactly why. The rest, I can just leave it as it is. How does this strategy actually work? It's easier than you think. Once you see that the candlesticks go outside of the Keltner, you can even, hold on. You can even edit it. Let me add the 3. Yeah, the 3 is good. So use the 3, 20, 10, and 3. Once the candlesticks go outside of the Keltner channel and the stochastic oscillator is overbought, like right here, or oversold, like right here, then you enter a transaction. Obviously, if you're looking for a put position, you're going to wait for the price on stochastic to be overbought. If you're going to be entering a call position, then you're going to wait for the opposite, right? The stochastic oversold and the candlesticks going outside from the lower side. Is that making sense to y'all? What up? How you doing? So once you actually do that, make sure that you have 1 minute selected, and that's the trade that you're going to enter. I'm going to trade with $100 right now because I don't want to risk that much. We are at noon, so we're not supposed to. We don't have any favorites. What's wrong with this? So we're going to see from real pairs that have good payout, at least above 70%. Uh, 79. Go. This one is 69. All right, so we're done. These are the pairs that have a decent payout, so those are the ones that we're gonna check. Take a look at this one right here. We can go ahead and test it. Oh, I don't like the sound. Hold on. Test this, and as you can see, we're Oh, let me just move my camera. Hold on. Let me put it. I don't even know where to put it. I think I'm gonna put it here, so that you guys can actually see like the indicators right here. That's basically what I want. So yeah, this is exactly the entry that I had. And as you can see, it's because, again, it actually was outside of the Keltner on the downside, pretty much like on the lower side. And then the stochastic was below the 20 level. And then we enter a 1 minute position. You won't be able to catch most of my trades because it's usually, you know, this fast. But you get the point. How much is the time frame of the candles? 30 seconds. You see, I won that one to start. 30S right here. In pocket option, it will appear as S30. I don't know. It's opposite. They're rivals, I guess. That was pretty simple, right? Obviously, it doesn't happen all the time like this. I mean, you're going to lose some here and there. But the accuracy is actually really good. Let me add the other pair so that we can be dancing around and looking at the payouts at the entire time. If a payout goes below 70%, I would even say below 72%, like 71 or 70, I'm not gonna trade with it. There's a lot of volatility for the time that we're trading. If you noticed, it's basically because of the big news that we had in the morning. And yeah, we have nothing right now. So Q&A. Take advantage of this moment where I don't have trades, and so that we can have some Q&A. Ask me any questions you guys want to. We started today with a win of $100. That's not bad. Now, what's the other method? It's exactly the same. You're going to change the candlesticks to 1 minute, and it's literally the same. But in this case, this is something I'd like to do. I would change the multiplier. I will change the multiplier to 2, and I will enter a 3-minute position. That's the difference. If you notice, let's find an example, like literally right here. Take a look. It's literally outside of the Keltner. It's overbought right here, and it goes for 3 minutes. Why 3 minutes? It's safer because the first candlestick might be like a little, like this one right here. Take a look. The first one closed right here. The second one went all the way right here. So we're looking at a 3 minute, 2.5 minute expiration time. Let's see another example. Obviously, there are going to be losses. Take a look. This is a big win. Oh, but this was not oversold. All right. Right here. Oh, there's another example right here. Oversold. It went all the way up. Right now, we have an actual opportunity. We're going to enter right now for 3 minutes to test how this actually is doing. And you see both of the criteria are actually being met. It's outside of the Keltner, and the stochastic is oversold. I didn't know we could sell the trade. That's weird. On Quadex, let's see. Better than the 1 minute strategy? It's different. It's different. You get to choose exactly which one makes you feel more comfortable. I feel more comfortable with the 1 minute strategy. This is the way I trade. I have another zigzag strategy as well, combined with the 1 minute strategy that works really good. A lot of people makes a lot of money with it. I just feel more comfortable with the 1 minute. But this one, definitely, like, it's the 1 minute strategy, the 50 RSI strategy, and this is the third place. That's for sure. Do you recommend doing martingale? No, I don't. You can burn your account like that. Thank you for the questions, people. You guys smashed the like button already? I see very few likes. I don't like that. Don't make me come after you. Go ahead and smash the likes. And let me know if you are able to catch any trade, at least on demo. Don't get all crazy thing. Oh my God, Christian's gonna trade. I'm gonna become rich right now. No, that doesn't exist. It's a fairy tale. Okay. 70%, 76% of people don't know the Keltner strategy. That's actually good. But you guys like got the idea, right? If you're just joining in right now on the live, you can rewind the video after you watched it. And at the beginning of the video, like in the first 5 minutes or so, I explained this, like the first 10 minutes, I explained the strategy literally. Okay, so you guys can watch it, or you can just save the video, watch it on the replay once we finish the live. But yeah, the strategy is explained right there. All right. This one looks pretty good, and it happens all the time. Like, not all the time, but I mean, it happens pretty often. Take a look. It closed right here. This one right here, it went to the in the money. Right here, it went in the money. What else? This one, no. This one right here, it went in the money. This right here, it went in the money. This right here, it went in the money. So it's pretty good. Yeah, it's a pretty basic strategy. If I can be honest with you, it's not like it has a bunch of high frequency indicators or anything. No, it's pretty simple. And this is real markets, by the way. It's not OTC. All right, so 77% of people don't know the Keltner strategy, which is good. Well, let me ask you this. What broker are you using? Codex? Pocket? None. Let me know. And if you don't have any broker, I highly recommend you to use either Codex or Pocket Option. Pocket Option is available worldwide. The link's in the description of this video, okay? To both of them. This is a big win. You won the trade. Awesome, David. Hey, if you're just joining in, you have no idea what this is. This is the BLW Trading Show. I know. Episode number 1, because this is the first time I'm going to be using this name. So basically, we're going to do education. We're going to do podcasts. We're going to do trainings. We're going to do live trading sessions like this one. We're going to do product reviews and so on. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And I'm going to be streaming Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Today is a live trading session, but tomorrow I have another topic in mind. We're going to discuss this at the end of this training. But yeah. Is demo account and live account and Pocket Option same? Yeah, it's the same. All right, let's look it up. Let me know in the chat. Do you want me to look for another 1 minute or another 3-minute trade? I'm okay with both. Thank you for the likes, people. Thank you for the likes. The super chats I write there as well. If you guys want to get priority answer from me, ask me anything except don't ask me to dance. Because I won't. I won't sing either. What I mean is that in the 5-minute strategy at the RSI level 50, whenever I'm in an uptrend and it reaches 50, it drops below it and the opposite happens. Yeah, it happens. It happens. But you got to be very unlucky so that it happens like too many times in the same pair. It's usually 70, 80% accurate. And it's super important also that you check the 50-minute trend and also the, what's the other one? The 1-minute trend. Real Madrid is playing right now. I don't even know why I'm streaming. What's the most strategy you use? 1 minute, 50, or I use the 1 minute most. All right, since you guys are not applying, I'll go ahead and look for another trade, make myself another $100. We missed this one. All right, I see nothing. Payouts are going to start dropping dramatically within the next few minutes. In 5 minutes, 12:30, usually payouts they really go down. I don't like how your JPY has been doing this breakout all the time, so I'm just going to stay away from it. Based on the history, it looks like it's not respecting that much the Keltner, so I'm not cool with it. I'm just gonna close it. I don't want to make the mistake of entering. All right, there's nothing. There's nothing, babe. New people, where you guys are from? Let me know. What's your time zone? What time is it where you are? Is it raining? How's the weather? Pocket options, 75% of people are using pocket options also. Like I said, if you guys don't have a broker or you haven't made, if you haven't made a deposit on any broker, go ahead and use my link. I can get a small commission. I can work with it. The UK, how you doing, man? How's the UK? I miss the UK. Scotland, London. I'm planning to go Dublin next year. I haven't traveled in a while. Well, in a couple months. But I haven't been to Europe for a while. Portugal, how you doing? My pocket option account keeps dropping instead of increasing. No matter how many strategies I try, I'm from Mexico. Time 20. Mexico, go get some tacos. Snowing? All right, Slovakia, how you doing? Welcome. Yeah, man. Try to jump into demo at least for a couple of weeks until you recover confidence, and then go back to your real. Otherwise, you're gonna get too desperate, and you're gonna end up over trading. I think this might become a good call position in just a little bit. Another cool strategy, but I don't want to confuse you, is the middle line. If you notice, when there's an uptrend and it reaches the middle line, it usually bounces back. I don't use it, but I've seen it on different videos, right? 69% using pocket option, 31% Quotex. Yeah, the 3 minute safer. That's true. That is true. Is this your first time joining in, people? Who is here for the first time? Who doesn't know me? Like, if you can tell me, like, who's this guy? We can chat while we don't have an entry. The next one might be the candlestick that actually crosses down. I just wanted like a slightly bigger push in order to enter. Otherwise, I won't. Just to be safer, somewhere around here. You can draw a line. If you want to know like exactly where you want to enter, like somewhere there, I'm willing to enter. Yeah, somewhere there. It's coming. This is Alan. Who you been talking to? Hi, Alan. Where I have been talking to? Oh, you mean on the Telegram? Man, you gotta be talking to support because I don't chat. If someone with my picture is chatting you, that's not me. Oh, I missed my entry. Shoot. And it was a sniper entry. Take a look. Yeah, so you've been talking to support. Make sure it's support at BLW support bot. That's the profile you gotta be talking to. You're not supposed to be talking to anyone with my picture. That's not me. Someone pretending to be me and is gonna scam you. Man, I've been missing 2 entries. I've missed for replying comments. And the other worst part is I'm not gonna have a new entry, and that was $100, $74 to the garbage can. But it's part of it. How do you know? How do you know how, when can maybe change the trend? We never know. We just can figure it out with history, with the indicators, but there's no certain way to know. I'm sorry, I meant to ask you this yesterday. It's prop funder E8 and fixed fly good prop firms. E8 is good. The other ones I don't know. It's just that E8's a little bit more expensive. So, by the way, you will make a tutorial with this strategy. I have a playlist with like 100 videos about this strategy. You can look it up on my YouTube channel, and I like literally created a playlist called Keltner's channel strategy, and you will be able to find like 150 videos. Take a look at this win that I just missed. Really good, right? I mean, I'm okay missing the trade, but you get to see how accurate the strategy is. It's just that you got to be patient. We've been here 32 minutes, and I've been able to place two positions only. Well, one because the other one was a 1 minute one, right? So, I mean, that's the con. Like, it's gonna take a while, but once oh shoot, I missed this one too. I kind of like this one better if it jumps just a little more. I'm not gonna pay attention to the chat right now. I don't want to miss another one. Imagine if the one that I don't miss, I lose it. It's unlucky. All right, it's going down. Both are going down. All right, I missed those two. HO, that's a bad word, man. Can't say it here. What's NGL? What does it stand for? But yeah, it looks safer. £1,600. What are you talking about? Support resistance. No, you don't have to with this strategy. It's just a momentum strategy. It's not really a support resistance. Now I need a higher because the Keltner has been forming this upper movement. So this hasn't been activated. Oh, not gonna lie. Okay, that's something new that I learned today. Thank you. I really miss. It's really bad in pocket option broker right now. What, the payouts? The payouts are bad, or what's bad? All right, hold on, cause I'm gonna have an entry. I'm willing to go lower, somewhere like there, just outside of the Keltner, I guess. But here's the deal: a lot of people would actually enter like literally right here, and you gotta be patient. Like, I'm being patient. I'd rather miss a trade than losing the trade. So if it doesn't go where I want it to go, I won't enter. Even if it's a winner right now, some people would enter right here, and then the trade closes slightly above, then they lose the trade. So I missed this entry because I decided not to enter. Okay, so patience is something that you have to have as well. Where do you analyze the market before doing trading? Sorry about the other word. It was misspelling. It's okay. I was just kidding, by the way. I check the news. That's it. Investing.com and Forex Factory. That's it. I only avoid 3-star news or high volatility news. I used to call 3-ball news before. I like the most. I like the better. They have used your picture and knew everything about you. I know. Well, pretty much you got, like, they know everything about me too. I'm pretty open. So they're trash. Glitch over morning, freezing up. Really? No, not to me. Is the stochastic oscillator is consistent in most strategies? Yeah, it's used in most strategies. Is it possible to trade with you on the light trades? Yeah, every single day. Promotional moment. Every single day. At 7:30 Central Standard Time, I send signals in the BLW Binary Master app or blwsignalscript.com. Doesn't really matter. The link is right there below my screen. If you noticed, blwsignalscript.com. If you join, $29.99 a month, super cheap, and you get to trade live with me every single day at 7:30 Central Standard Time. It was a good trade here. Another good trade. Another good trade. I'm missing everything. But the point is that you guys are getting education. If I wasn't live, I would be paying attention to my charts and entering trades. I would have been finished by now, by the way. What's your recommendation for a beginner starting with binary options? Is subscribe and watch all my videos. Is there a time? Let me just pull out the chat because I can barely see. It's a laptop. Is there a time of the day better than other to trade? It seems to me that many strategies work, but only when there's volume. Yep, the best time to trade on all markets, it will be a New York session, which it would be around 6:30, 7 Central Standard Time, 8 a.m. New York time. This one's the bestest. I'll try it. Awesome. What? Oh, for me, I don't know. How can I detect volatility? When you see big movements, that's it. This strategy is almost impossible to apply on a small account. Why is that? Because some like very little trades. So was it you or not? No, no. I don't know. Jesus, you made me sneeze. I'm just kidding. I'm not chatting to anyone. My support team is. Just talk to my support team. Links in the description to my free Telegram channel. There you will be able to find a link to support and talk to them. Don't let anybody talk to you directly. The candle needs to close or need to touch the Keltner. It needs to go outside the Keltner, not necessarily to close. So there's a text box in the master app or live video. Yeah, there's a Telegram channel where you can ask questions. I almost signed up last night, but wasn't sure how things worked. You're more than welcome to check it out. How do you know which pair to pick trading? The one that gives me the entry, that's it. If it gives me an entry, it's my pair. This one hasn't given me an entry. I'm getting bored. AUDJPY. You suck. This one might give us an entry, but take a look. It was a big win as well. So I'm looking at AUDJPY. Hopefully now it can give me an entry. It would be awesome. I would appreciate it. I would also appreciate if you guys smash the like button. Support this streaming. You can share it. If you're watching this on the replay, you can leave any questions you guys want to in the comment section below. We've been here 40 minutes. I'm going to be here 10 to 15 more minutes. So if you guys have questions, this is the moment to ask them. What's your winning rate, if you don't mind me asking? This week, I'm 100%. No losses this week in the BLW Binary Master app. Last week, I was 21 wins, 1 loss. Freaking crazy. No, I'm still not sure. I really wanted to be outside. There you go. All right, I'm entering this trade. I'm not 100% confident, if I can be honest with you, because I don't like this big momentum that it's been having. But hopefully we can end up this streaming with a winner. If it keeps on jumping on this strategy, I usually don't double enter, like on the 1 minute strategy. Just need to go outside. It needs to go outside. A big drop's gonna have to happen if I want to win this trade. In your opinion, which is easier for beginners, Forex or binary? Why you delete it? Binary, it's easier. Do you catch up 4 times if the candle keeps on pushing? No, I just enter once, maybe twice, but once is fine. I enter below my own entry zone. Yeah, more people join when there's live sessions, which is cool. We can have a lot more. That's fine. Um, if you guys are just joining in, go ahead and smash the like button as usual, people. This is gonna be a loss. Something weird has to happen right now for us to win. But there was a loss literally right here as well. As you can see in this area, it was a loss. So it's fine. You can't win them all. Oh, there you go. Another opportunity. Oh, shoot. I shouldn't have entered here, by the way. Can anyone tell me my mistake on this entry? Because I enter immediately. I didn't like analyze everything. But can you tell me what is my mistake in this entry? Let's see if you guys learned something today. I might win it. I'm not saying I'm not, but if I want to increase my possibilities, there's something that I didn't check before I entered this trade. Let's see if someone can catch it. So pocket option, 74% people have pocket option. That's good. You guys can join any of the brokers below in the description of this video. 4% of people don't have a broker or none of them. You guys are welcome to do so. I also have the link to close option below in the description of this video that broker allows you as traders. The stochastic pointing up. Yes. The right question is from Topa01. What's her name, man? The stochastic is an overbought. Exactly. That's exactly what I did wrong. It's still doing good, but I shouldn't have entered. I would love to pay if possible to make a living out of your live trades. Join me, man. I'm happy to see you there. Stochastic, that's right. Red line stochastic, not over 80. That's correct, people. I'm so happy to see you guys knowing my mistakes. I'm proud of you. Can I use this strategy on pocket option? Yes, you can. Do you give free signals on Telegram? The only thing I give out for free, I'm just playing. I don't give free signals on Telegram. Sometimes I do, but I'm never promised anything. What I do is lower the price, $29.99. It's extremely cheap to trade live with me, or with any good trader, in that matter. $29.99 a month, super cheap. A lot of people even got it with 50% off during Black Weekend. That's over, but you know, just so you know what you missed. $66. My God, I'm rich. And I'm gonna win this one, so I'm gonna make like $100 and some dollars. That's not bad. That's more than what YouTube pays me. By the way, the lives that you do is binary or Forex. The BLW binary master app is binary. The BLW signals group is Forex. Everything included in the $29.99 price. Every day, 7:30 Central Standard Time, I do binary, and 8:20 Central Standard Time, I do Forex. Is there a difference between using 30 seconds and 1 minute candlesticks? Well, the expiration time and settings. I explained that at the beginning. Do you check higher time frames for confirmation? No, this is a very simple strategy. How many days do you live in private group at one time? Monday to Friday. Binary is 7:30 Central Standard Time. All right, people, let's do some Q&A for 5 minutes, and then we're off for the day. I do appreciate the likes and the BLW Trading Show. Welcome. This is episode number 1 because that's the name that I decided to give it yesterday with the help of some followers right here. But yeah, let's do some Q&A. Oh, Real Madrid is winning. That's weird. $30 a month? Yeah. $29.99. Yeah, $30. You enter the trade when the stochastic is not above the 80. That's correct. That is correct. Today, what day is it today? Tuesday? No, Wednesday. Tomorrow, Thursday. I might have another live session, but with a different strategy. Yeah. Oh. We could try the zigzag strategy tomorrow for 1 minute. Thank you. Thank you for asking for the likes. Yeah, go ahead and smash the likes. You lazy. And don't forget to subscribe because, like I said, I'm streaming every day. If you're not subscribed, you might just miss that. So, I trade an iPad. Can I still watch you on your iPad or phone? What do you mean? Well, the signals are being sent through Telegram. So if you're fast enough to see the Telegram notification and go and trade on your phone, yeah. If you can have two devices and one just for signals and then the other one to trade, will be better. How close are you to the volcano? No, I'm not close. Oh, you want to know where I live? Nah, I don't live close to it. All right, people. I think that's going to be it for today. I do appreciate that you guys were here as usual. And remember, tomorrow, yep, based on the response that we have today, I'm going to trade tomorrow using the zigzag strategy here, same time, in the BLW Trading Show. Go ahead and smash the like as usual. Hopefully, I can see you there tomorrow. And you have a good rest of your day. Peace.